Hey there, come on in. My name's Arnold with Benchmark Properties. I want to welcome you today to 31089 Ruidosa Street in beautiful Temecula, California. Come on in, let's check out this property. This single level pool home features 2 bedrooms with 1 bath down the hall and a master suite on the back of the house. Let's go check it out. This newly renovated kitchen features quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and luxury vinyl plank throughout the entire home. But let's go check out this beautiful pool backyard. The fully fenced backyard features synthetic turf, a fully covered patio, a pool, and views of the Pachanga golf course.